Namaste students, welcome to 7th standard social science. Today we are going to see Unit 3 Geography, Population and Settlement, book back question answers. First we are going to see answer the following. Question number 1. What are the classification of races? Answer. The major world human races are Caucasoid, European, Negroid, African, Mongoliad, Asiatic, Australian. So these are the four classification of races. Next one, question number 2. What is language? Language is a great force of socialization. Language, either in the written or oral form, is the most common type of communication. Next, we are going to see question number 3. Define settlement. Answer. Settlement is a place where people live and interact through activities such as agriculture, trading, and entertainment. Question number 4. Question number 4. What are the basis urban settlements are classified? On what basis urban settlements are classified? Answer. Urban settlements are classified on the basis of size of population, occupational structure, administration. Again, I will ask the question. On the what basis urban settlements are classified? Answer. Urban settlements are classified on the basis of size of population, occupational structure, and administration. Okay. Next we can see the fifth question. Write a note on smart city. Answer. So these are the questions is there in your page number 170 in social book. So question number 5. Write a note on smart city. In an urban region, a city which is very much advanced in terms of infrastructure, real estate, communication, and market availability is called smart city. Example: Bhubaneswar, Pune, Jaipur, Surat. These are the urban settlements. Okay. So this all the questions is there in your book, the page number 170. Next we can see the distinguish between Mumbai is a megacity. A megacity is a very large city, typically with a population of more than 10 million people. Mumbai has this specification and so it is megacity. Okay. Next we can see the give reason. In give reason second question, Himalayas have dispersed settlement. Dispersed settlement are found in areas of extreme climate, hilly tracts, thick forest, etc. In these settlements, houses are spaced far apart and after interspersed with field. So Himalayas have dispersed settlement. Next we can see distinguish between language and religion. Language is a great force of socialization. Religion is a symbol of group identity and a cultural rallying point. Most common type of communications either in written or oral form. System of faith and worship. Example: Tamil, Hindi, English. Example: Hinduism, Christianity, Islam. Next, distinguish between second one, Negroids and Mongoliads. Answer: Negroid, Mongoliad. Negroid have dark eyes, black skin, black woolly hair, wide nose, long head and thick lips. So Mongoliads, light yellow to brown skin, straight hair, flat face, broad head and medium nose. Second point, found in different parts of Africa. So found in Asia and Arctic region. Next we can see third, distinguish between differentiate between city and town. So city is a large urban place, town is a urban place. Population, the population more than 1 lakh, the population more than 5,000 people. So now we are completed city and town, distinguish between. Next we can see that urban settlement and rural settlement. Urban settlement and rural settlement. Answer: urban areas have domination of secondary and tertiary activities, industries, but the rural areas have predominantly primary activities, that means agriculture. Next, densely populated state, it is sparsely populated state. So today we are completed. Answer the following, give reason and distinguish between from this lesson. Okay, next class we can see about that. Another lesson. Read well and get good marks. Thank you so much.